Have you ever looked at a plane and wondered, why doesn't it just fall? A commercial airplane can weigh hundreds of tons, yet it stays in the air thanks to a force called lift. As the plane moves forward, air flows over and under its wings. The shape of the wings creates lower pressure above and higher pressure below. This pushes the aircraft upward. Powerful jet engines keep the plane moving fast enough to generate lift. Even if an engine fails, airplanes can still glide safely for many miles. That's why flying is actually one of the safest ways to travel. Follow Fact Fusion for more amazing facts.